Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome to the science class. Today we will start revise the remaining chapter number 12. But before starting this chapter, first of all, we will discuss the worksheet that I gave you yesterday in the previous video. So here is the worksheet. Answer of first question is, name the hottest planet in the solar system. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? That is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. What forms the solar system? Sun, along with its family of 8 planets, their moons and other heavenly bodies that revolve around it, forms the solar system. Name them. Planet that has life on it. Which planet has life on it? Earth. Next, planet known as the morning star, Venus. Now name two terrestrial planets, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth. All are terrestrial planets. You have to write only 2 terrestrial planets. Next, gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all are gas giants. You have to write only 2 gas giants here. Okay? So, I hope you all have done this worksheet in your notebooks. Now start, revise the remaining chapter. First topic is the moon. As you all know very well that moon is Earth's natural satellite. Some other planets in our solar system also have their own moons. Now, when we stand outside in the sunlight during the day, how we feel? We feel hot. Why? This is because the sun is made of hot gases and gives out light and heat. So we feel hot. But do we feel hot when we stand outside in the moonlight at night? No. We don't feel hot at night because the moon is made of hard rocks. It has no light of its own. It reflects the light of sun. And also the moon has no air. Next, movements of Earth. Earth shows 2 types of movement, that is rotation and revolution. So first one is rotation. The rotation of Earth is the spinning motion of Earth on its axis. And what is axis? The axis of Earth is the imaginary line which running from the North Pole to the South Pole. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees with a vertical line. And the rotation of Earth on its own axis causes day and night. So Earth is like a ball. When Earth rotates on its axis, half of it faces the sun. So this half part of Earth gets light and it results in the formation of day. But the other half of Earth, which faces away from the sun, does not get any light. Therefore, it is night in this part of Earth. So, in this way, India and USA are situated on the opposite sides of Earth. Therefore, when India faces the sun, USA is in the part of Earth that is faced away from the sun. So, when it is daytime in India, it is night in USA, and when it is night in India, it is daytime in USA. Okay? Now, next is revolution. So, Earth rotates on its axis, which is tilted, but there is another imaginary line called the equator, which divides the Earth into 2 spheres, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And what is revolution? The motion of Earth around the sun is called the revolution. And Earth moves around the sun in a path. That path is known as orbit. complete one revolution, Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. And this revolution of Earth caused the change in seasons. So, Earth has a tilted axis. Because of this, at certain position of Earth's hemisphere which will be tilted towards the sun, while the other hemispheres will be tilted away from the sun. So that's why the hemisphere tilted towards the sun receives direct sun rays and gets heated more. So this part of the earth experiences summer. But during the same time, the other hemisphere gets slanted sun rays and is cooler. So this part of earth experiences winter. In this way, the revolution of earth causes change in seasons. But the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay? And that is why New Zealand lies in the southern hemisphere, whereas India lies in the northern hemisphere. That's why when New Zealand has summer, we have winter in India, and when India has summer, winter in New Zealand. Okay? Now some interesting facts here. Astronauts go into space in special spaceships. Neil Armstrong was the first human to land on the moon on 20th July 1969. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian origin to go into space. And artificial satellites are human-made objects revolving around Earth and other planets. Artificial satellites can have several uses, including Earth or other planets, weather forecasting, navigation, communications, etc. Okay, so now the chapter is complete. Here I am giving you a worksheet. First question, name the two movements shown by the Earth. Next, define rotation. Next question is of ellipse. Rotation of Earth causes dash, while revolution of Earth causes dash. Next, the dash is the natural satellite of the Earth. And give reason. When it is daytime in India, it is night in USA. Why? Okay. Complete this worksheet in a science notebook. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.